Time management is a crucial skill that can greatly impact our lives and productivity. It refers to the ability to allocate our time effectively and efficiently to different tasks and activities. Good time management allows us to achieve our goals, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. One of the key reasons why time management is important is that it helps us make the most of our limited time. Time is a finite resource, and once it is gone, we can never get it back. By managing our time effectively, we can prioritize tasks, set goals, and allocate our time to activities that are most important and meaningful to us. This ensures that we use our time in a purposeful and productive manner. Effective time management also helps reduce stress and increase our overall well-being. When we have a clear plan and schedule for our day, we feel less overwhelmed and more in control of our time. This reduces the likelihood of feeling rushed or overwhelmed by deadlines, leading to a more relaxed and balanced life. Moreover, time management allows us to achieve a healthy work-life balance. By allocating time for work, leisure, family, and personal activities, we can ensure that we are not neglecting any aspect of our life. This balance is essential for our mental and physical well-being, as it allows us to recharge, spend quality time with loved ones, pursue hobbies, and take care of ourselves. Time management is also linked to increased productivity. When we have a clear plan and schedule, we can focus on our tasks without wasting time on unnecessary activities or distractions. It helps us prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and allocate sufficient time for each activity. This allows us to work more efficiently, complete tasks in a timely manner, and achieve our goals. Furthermore, effective time management enhances our decision-making skills. When we have a clear understanding of our priorities and goals, it becomes easier to make decisions that align with them. We can evaluate the importance and urgency of different tasks and make informed choices about how to allocate our time. This reduces indecisiveness and increases our ability to make effective and efficient decisions. Time management is also important for long-term success and personal growth. By managing our time effectively, we can work towards our goals and aspirations. It helps us break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, allowing us to make progress consistently. This sense of progress and accomplishment fuels motivation and helps us stay focused and committed to our objectives. In conclusion, time management plays a crucial role in our lives. It helps us make the most of our limited time, reduces stress, maintains a healthy work-life balance, increases productivity, enhances decision-making skills, and promotes long-term success and personal growth. By developing effective time management skills, we can lead more fulfilling and purpose-driven lives. It is a skill worth investing time and effort in, as it can greatly improve our overall well-being and success in all aspects of life. Immersive fun and strategic thinking, exploring my favorite board game. Board games have always been a source of joy, entertainment, and bonding moments with family and friends. In this essay, I will delve into the reasons why my favorite board game holds a special place in my heart, using intermediate English words to express my enthusiasm. So, join me as we unravel the magic of this beloved game together. Introduction to my favorite board game. My favorite board game is called Ticket to Ride. It is a captivating strategy game that challenges players to build railway routes across different destinations. This game offers a perfect blend of simplicity and depth, making it accessible for players of all ages and backgrounds. In Ticket to Ride, players embark on a thrilling adventure while competing against each other to complete the most lucrative train routes. Engaging gameplay and rules. One of the reasons why Ticket to Ride stands out is its engaging gameplay and straightforward rules. Players collect and play cards to lay down train cards of matching colors to claim routes on a map. Each completed route earns points, while incomplete routes result in point deductions. The game strategically balances card collection, route planning, and risk-taking, ensuring an immersive and thrilling experience for all participants. Strategic thinking and decision-making. Ticket to Ride demands strategic thinking and decision-making skills from players. To maximize points, one must carefully consider route selection, prioritize destinations, and anticipate opponents' moves. The game encourages critical thinking and clever use of available resources, fostering a sense of anticipation and excitement as each turn unfolds. Broadens geographical knowledge. An intriguing aspect of Ticket to Ride is its ability to educate players about different geographic locations. The game's maps feature various regions, such as North America, Europe, or Asia, introducing players to different cities and landmarks. Through gameplay, players unknowingly absorb knowledge about geography while building their railway networks, which can spark curiosity and lead to further exploration beyond the game. Social interaction and bonding. Board games often serve as a catalyst for strengthening social bonds and creating lasting memories. Ticket to Ride encourages friendly competition, cooperation, and negotiation among players. Each game session becomes an opportunity for shared laughter, friendly banter, and building a sense of camaraderie. Whether playing with family, friends, or even new acquaintances, the game fosters a positive and inclusive environment. Replayability and expansion packs. Ticket to Ride offers a vast array of expansion packs, adding new maps and gameplay elements. This feature ensures that the game remains fresh and exciting even after numerous playthroughs. Each expansion presents unique challenges, introducing different strategies and objectives. The variety and replayability keep the game engaging and provide endless hours of entertainment. Ticket to Ride has undoubtedly found a special place in my heart due to its engaging gameplay, strategic thinking, geographical education, social interaction, and replayability. The game offers an escape from the ordinary, providing a platform for fun-filled moments with loved ones. Embarking on exciting journeys, planning routes, and outwitting opponents in this captivating board game has become a cherished pastime that will continue to captivate me for years to come.